Hello and welcome to this video series. Our focus today is on the use of soft rules in transport planning, particularly in non-emergency medical transportation. In most transport planning scenarios, the planner has a set of hard rules that must be followed, for example, time windows. Most planning tools are not permitted to break these rules, and this would be the expected and desired behaviour, even if stops remain unloaded. However, there may be operational scenarios where a degree of flexibility regarding some rules may be needed, for example, time windows, in order to load all jobs. In a non-emergency medical transportation planning scenario, all passengers need to get to their medical appointments on the correct day and as close to their appointment time as possible. To do this, ODL Live can be configured with different cost weightings to apply soft rules. ODL Live is a route optimization algorithm that can be used for generating routes for multiple logistics and transport scenarios. It can be run via a RESTful API web service, through a command line interface, or via a browser-based dashboard. The 4 rules ODL Live is permitted to relax are the time a pickup or drop-off takes place, the amount of time the passenger is on board, the time the driver takes their lunch break, the time the driver or vehicle returns to their base location. We configured ODL Live to use an optional traffic light cost model. In the balanced configuration settings, 3 new sets of penalties allow ODL Live some flexibility in the rules it applies to get everyone to their appointments. These are job lateness penalty, onboard time penalty, and vehicle lateness penalty. For job lateness, if the vehicle arrives within 30 minutes of the open time or target time, it lies in the green zone and no penalty is applied. If the vehicle arrives between 30 and 60 minutes late, the amber penalty costs are applied, and above 60, the red penalty applies. The onboard penalty is applied only if the time on board value is more than the allowed minutes. For vehicle lateness, the penalty can be used to soften the rules for both the time that the driver takes their lunch break or the time they return to base. Let's look at the balanced results saved scenario provided with the model. Looking at route 8-seat vehicle 3, we can see all the jobs loaded onto this vehicle. Here at line 469, the route drops off a passenger late. The target time for the job is 09:05. If we add the amber time limit of 30 minutes, we have a time window for this stop of 09:05 to 09:35. If the vehicle arrived within that time window, the job would be in the green zone and no cost penalty would be applied. But the vehicle arrives at 09:43, which is 0.144 hours or around 8 minutes late. So an amber cost penalty of 755.3568 is applied. At line 493, we can also see that a passenger has been on board for 43 minutes and that the onboard penalty has been applied. The cost model allows the planner to break the rules by a little but discourages them from breaking the rules by too much by having higher costs for both the amber and red zones. Thank you for listening. For more information about ODL Live and the NEMT model, go to opendoorlogistics.com and subscribe to this channel for more videos.